We think of communication as talking, but what if our real superpower is listening? Not just waiting for your turn, but truly active listening. This means engaging your whole brain. Physically, you're nodding and making eye contact. Mentally, you're summarizing what you hear. To prove you're getting it, you use a simple tool, paraphrasing. You put their idea into your own words. So what you're saying is, to show you've truly processed it. When you need more, you use clarifying questions to define terms, or probing questions to ask why. And instead of just dropping your own opinion, you build on others' ideas, linking your thought to theirs. That's a great point, and it makes me think about you become a facilitator, a summarizer, or even a devil's advocate, all to deepen the conversation. It's a framework that turns a debate into a discovery. It's how you go from just talking at each other to actually understand one another.